Very good morning to you all. How are you? Are you fine? I am very pleased to have you in this e-learning system. Okay, welcome to the first class of class 7 English. So this is your English book, English reader class 7. Okay, today our first lesson. Okay, you have a picture here on the blackboard. So what about the picture? Yes, what about the picture? What do you see in the picture? Yes, a boy is running. And what other things are here? A tree, mountains, isn't it? Cloud, some raindrops, isn't it? There is a lake, some rocks are here, some bushes are here, some little trees are here, isn't it? You can have this kind of picture, this kind of scenery at your country, that means at your village. Isn't तुम गाँव रे ये चित्र तुम देखियो पाउथबो बेले बेले तुम एमिति मध्य रोल करथिबो अच्छा कहले देखिबा एठी से पिलाटी कोन करूची हां पिलाटी दौड़ुची अच्छा पिलाटी काहे दौड़ी चिंता करलो काहे दौड़ुथबो छी यस खुशी रे दौड़ुथबो ना यस टू गेट प्लेजर द बॉय इज रनिंग on the left and the boy is running on the tree or beneath the tree. So let's have a very interesting poem that is brush up your English. Run, run, run. Everybody would like to run anytime, anywhere, and at your village. Yes. And here is your poem that is Run, Run, Run lesson 1. प्रथम पिले तुम बही को बंद कर बही जमा खोलो नहीं मु प्रथम बही टी पढुची से पोएम टी पढुची तमे केवल सुनो यू लिसन द पोएम एंड फॉलो ओके away from the city and into the sun out of the country run 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 in the raindrops run beneath the trees run little races with little breeze okay run down the hillside run up the lane run through the meadow and run back again okay run and be merry all through the day run to the country away away okay म आउथरे पिलेटा पढुछि तमे ଟିକେ सुना away from the city and into the sun out of the country run 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 in the raindrop run beneath the trees run little races with his little bridge run down the hillside run up the lane run through the meadow then run back again run and be merry means run and be happy all through the day means throughout the day run to the country away away it's very nice ओके एबे तमे बही खोलो पेज नंबर 1 ऑफ योर इंग्लिश रीडर बही खोलिबा बे अच्छा देखि परथो स्टैंडर्ड गुडा देखि परथो किते लाइन सेठी रहिछि ओके मु जेमति पढुछि तमे देखबे फिंगर टिप रे प्रत्येक लाइन बाय लाइन तमे हाथ मारके मु पढुछि मो से तमे भी पढिबो away from the city and into the sun out of the country run 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 in the raindrops most of the पढ़े केवले run in the raindrops run beneath the trees run little races with his little bridge run down the hillside run up the lane run through the meadow then run back again run and be merry all through the day run to the country away away very good ठीक है ना एमी तमे दुई थर प्रैक्टिस करे एबे पहिले ता भीतर देखुथो कितरा वर्ड तमे नुवा वर्ड होछ देयर आर सम न्यू वर्ड्स टू यू and this new word make you puzzle that what does it mean isn't तार अर्थ कोन त मन टिके डाउट थिबो मु टिके कितरा वर्ड को डिराइव करछ प्रथम पहिले अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी देखो पहिले प्रथम जो अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी लिखा है केमति लिखा है ना कैपिटल लेटर लिखा है अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी जे अवे व्हाट डज इट मीन अवे मींस टू गो और टू रिप्लेस यू टू अनदर पार्ट तुम निजो को आगो जगह पहुंचेबो away you go away from your home means you go out from your home to another land or another place that is called away because the word is capital letter because this is the highlight word in this poem to highlight the poet he writes the word in capital away okay yes another critical word it might be for you that is beneath so what does it mean beneath so look at the picture on the blackboard and here is the tree Okay, and here is the boy. The boy is, what is the boy doing? The boy is running. And where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. The boy is running beneath the tree. Beneath means just downward. Okay, that means it is very equivalent word to under. Okay, yes, very good. Another word, breeze. B-R-E-Z. So what does it mean? It is a noun. Breeze means the cool wind. देखी जाओ तुम एरिया जो वर्षा होता है, वर्षा हमारा किसी समय पूर्व ठंडा पवन सुलुसुलिया पवन बहे नहीं, कूल विंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रीज. सुलुसुलिया ठंडा पवन जोटा हम कहू कूल विंड करने कहबा. ओके, आउ सेमति किछि म्यूडो गोटे वर्ड पाउथबो, म्यूडो. ओके, तुम स्कूल रे खेल पड़िया अछि, देयर इज ए प्लेग्राउंड एट योर स्कूल, इज इट? एंड तुम देखिथिबो in most of the season, especially in the rainy season, you can have what kind of field? The field is full of grass. That is grassy field. That is called meadow. Okay, cows are grazing in the meadow, isn't it? And you children, you love to play in meadow. Okay. Similarly, another word is marry. What does it mean, marry? M-E-R-R word. Marry. What does it mean? So when New Year comes, तो नया वर्ष आसे, तुम सब कौन हो? बुझिबा त करो, खुशी मजा करो, परपर्वाणी हेले कौन करो? टिके मजा मजलिस करो. That means in the time of festivity, or in the time of festival, that we enjoy a lot, we rejoice a lot, we make us so happy. That is called merry. Merry means to be happy. Okay? Yes. So these are the new words for you, my dear students. Okay, I have some questions to you. तुम पे किसी प्रश्न हम रखी. प्रश्न कौन? अच्छा कहले देखिबा जे the poem is about what? का विषय पोएम टी अछि? Yes, the poem is about. तमे से पोएम रे प्रथम देखिलो तार टॉपिक रो ना कोन अछि? Run and run. Okay, the poem is about run. अच्छा जे कहले देखिबा who is speaker in the poem? Who is the speaker in this poem? ये poem में speaker की अछि? किए कहछन? जे I from the city and into this who is the hero in this poem? का विषय रे कहछि poem टा? Yes, see boy देखि परथबो, is it? The speaker is the boy, means with the narrator is the poet. जे कि एको narrate करछन जे लिखिछन. He is the speaker, he is the hero. Okay, he describes all these things. अच्छा एबे पिले कहलिबो जे the poet wants to run where and where. कोडी से जाउछन. Yes, the poet wants to run in the meadow. Is it? The poet wants to go away from his home. Is it? And the poet wants to run in the raindrops, beneath the trees, to get the pleasure of the sunshine, to get the pleasure of the raindrops. Is it? तुमको पिले भल लागुथिबो, वर्षा जर होउथिबो, तुम बाहर जे खेला खुली करो कि नहीं, दौड़ा दौड़ी करो कि नहीं? हां, very good. And this all about the poem. अच्छा अब गोटे पिले तुम क्वेश्चन मोर होची, अच्छा whether the poet is very happy while he was or while he is running? पोएट को सिखेबे ना नथिबे उठला बेले? हां, very good. The poet is very happy to get the pleasure in different circumstances and situations of the country, and the poet have the pleasure through running and running. Okay. अच्छा another questions for you, my dear students. अच्छा does the poet like to run in the raindrops? Yes, it is very easy, right? Yes, the poet wants to run in the raindrops. अच्छा कहले पिला कोन पे से ताले रेनड्रॉप से दौड़थिले? व्हाई? तमे ठीक निजे इमेजिन करो, तमे भी रेनड्रॉप से दौड़िया भल पाओ ना? हां, काहे की? व्हाई? Right? To be happy, to get the pleasure, the poet wants to run in the raindrops. Very good. अच्छा आ गोटे क्वेश्चन मते कहबो, do you like running through the meadow? meadow जो grassy field तो तुम कहली, do you like to running through the meadow? Ah, very good. I also, when I was a child like you, I used to play every time with my friends in the meadow because it is soft land. Why? Because meadow is very soft land and it is very easy to run. to move, is it? To play. Very good. So these all are the questions for you, and you answered very right. Thank you so much for your answer. Okay. ଏବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ activity କୁ ଆମେ ଯିବା. Activity ବୋଲେ କ'ଣ? Activity होची ମୁଁ जोटा कहबी ते बारंबार ताको मने मने रिपीट करिवो. कौन से गोटे हाईलाइट लाइन न ପାଇଁ ଅଛି. କହିବ. Run and be merry all through the day. मने मने कह. Run and be merry all through the day. Run and be merry all through the day. Run and be merry all through the day. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया करछ. मने मने सब गोलेटा प्रैक्टिस कर. एबे आ गोटे लाइन को पिले जिबा. आ गोटे एक्टिविटी को जिबा. एक्टिविटी पिले या अछि. आज तुम क्लास 3 रे पढलो होप ए लिटिल, जंप ए लिटिल, स्माइल ए लिटिल, इज इट? ओपन द डोर, शट द डोर. सेमति को दीटा एक्टिविटी हम करबा. अच्छा, रन इन द क्लास. बाबा तुम से घरे अछ, रन इन द क्लास. कोन करबा? से क्लास रे हमें जोड़िबा. यस, बुझ पालो? आ लिया को देखबा रन बैक टू द क्लास. हमें पढै जाउ छे रन बैक टू द क्लास. हम पुणी फेरु छे रिटर्न टू द क्लास. ओके, दिस ऑल योर एक्टिविटी. आउ प्ले राइटिंग एक्टिविटी को हमें तुम पाको पीडीएफ फाइल रे पठै दउ निश्चित, एवं तमे तार घर प्रैक्टिस करी निर्धारित व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे पठैयो. आई होप this period will be very fruitful to you. Thank you very much to have this interesting lesson, and very soon we will meet together. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.